Hey, hi, it's Lionel here. So in this video, I want to show you how you can actually do a backup, of your database. Because like if you're doing solo ads consistently, every single week, and you're gonna have like 1,000 subscribers joining your list like every single week or a month. What you want to do a backup. What I mean is that you want to keep a copy of all this data on an Excel sheet away from your autoresponder. Now the thing is that, when it comes to anything comes to the internet, sometimes things might just get compromised. Like sometimes people hack into your password and all that. Sometimes things happen, and you don't want. So my point is that I don't want to scare you by telling you that these kind of things are happening. But the thing is that I want to let you know that prevention is actually better than cure. If you know what I'm saying. But the thing is that I want to let you know that I don't want you to get freaked out or anything because the fact that I started mine Getresponse account since 2015 and I'm still using it and it's running perfectly fine. But because that I'm having new subscribers coming in, I always want to do a backup. I don't want to wait for things to happen because the worst case scenario, touch wood, which hasn't happened to me, is that the Getresponse just suddenly shuts down your account for no reason. It's just like sometimes when I run Facebook ads, for the company, and that Facebook, their policies keep changing, and if you just violate the policy without looking at it, sometimes they just like ban your account, shut your account, right? So the thing is that when that happens, what can you do? How can you protect yourself? Your database is already there. So for me personally, what I do is that I do an export, right? So whatever database that I built so far, I will do an export to an Excel file. So in the event if my account gets shut down, you know what? There are actually many different other autoresponder company out there which I can also use them and I can just upload the context up to the new autoresponder, right? So understand that backing up, protecting your database, doing counter safety measures is pretty normal and this is something that I would encourage you to do, all right? So how it works is that the moment when you're already logged into your autoresponder Getresponse account, okay, let me just minimize it like that so it's easier for you to see. Yep, something like that. Okay, so what you want to do right now is you want to click on list right here. Okay, the moment once you're in, right at the top, you click on list. Okay, so over here you'll be able to see the emails that you have. Okay, your list of contacts, right? Okay, so let me just show you an example. So for example, if you have a database, by right you should only have one list, right? Maybe some of you have two, right? So don't be alarmed if you look at my video and you say, hey, how come Lionel has so many lists and all that? Just understand that I've been doing like examples and all that. So just take note you should have two, right? So like for example, if I want to do a backup of this list called the Lionel Tan, right? So what can I do? Is I'll click on show contacts. You see this button? Do you see this show contacts? Right? Just click on show contacts. Oops, Siri just picked up something, right? And what you want to do is, once you come to this page, you look over here, you'll see that there's 3 dots over to the number of subscribers that you have. Move your mouse over to the 3 dots, and you'll see this word called export. So what you want to do is you click on export, you just create like a file name, like maybe I put like the Lionel Tan list as of say maybe 15 August 2019. Okay, so at least I know. Select file type, I'll just select CSV, which is recommended, and I'll just click on export new file. Just click on this. And basically all these contact will be exported. Okay, and as you can see, it's already exported right at the bottom here. And I will just move my mouse away and click on download. So as you can see, it has already been downloaded to my download folder, so that whenever there's any issue or whatsoever, I can always upload this list to another database and essentially start from scratch with the same database. And the thing is that what you can do is that oh yeah, where was I? Okay, so the thing is that this is something that you want to do like every few days. If you're constantly building your database, you want to constantly be doing a backup at all times. So anyways, this is a safety measure and I hope that this video is enough for you to protect your list. Alright, see you.